Let's see how you can easily build conversational AI chatbots on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, SMS, or even on the website using the powerful AI models such as OpenAI, Claude, or Google Gemini as well. So here I am in a demo account with all these channels connected. So here you have to first go to settings over here and make sure you connect all the channels you want to build the AI chatbots for. And also in the integration section, make sure to connect the API keys from these platforms such as OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud, and we even support XAI and DeepSeek as well. So in this video, I'm going to explain how you can actually build a powerful AI chatbot that can work 24/7 using OpenAI and also these two models, Google Gemini and Cloud, as the backup as well. For example, if the OpenAI fails, then these two models try to generate a response for the customers 24/7. So here, let me go to the flow section over here and let me create a new flow and let me name this particular flow as OpenAI, Gemini and Cloud. Continue. So here you have to actually start with an action. So in this case, click on this particular plus action, plus button and click on actions and make this particular action as the starting step. And here delete this one. So here we need to actually add an action related to OpenAI. So we want to use the OpenAI as the main model, and only if the OpenAI fails, then we won't actually use other two models as well. So in this case, you have the option to generate text, or you can actually use generate text advanced as well, and simply choose the specific model you want to plan to use. So here let me choose GPT 4.1 mini over here, and here you have to add all the information about your business over here. So if you're wondering how to grab that particular information, you can simply go to this particular prompt generator tool over here, enter your website, and it will simply grab all the information on your website and make it a prompt as well. You can actually use that particular information, or you can actually come up with your own information as well. For an example, here we have some information about a solar company called as Sunbright Solutions. So let me simply use that particular information right here. So let me copy all the information over here, and as you can see here, we have all the information about the particular company such as founder, the leadership team, the services they provide, and some pricing information along with the frequently asked question and the contact details as well. So you can create something similar to your business as well. So let me simply copy this particular information over here and paste that information right here. And here let me say you are a helpful assistant to this particular company. So let me say to Sunbright solution and say respond to customers questions in just 1 to 2 sentences. This is the business information, and it will simply respond to the users based on the information we have here. So the user message will be tracked from the last input. So whatever the questions asked by the customers will be tracked automatically using this particular last input right there, and where you want to save the response. So for example, when a customer asks any sort of question, that particular request will be sent to this OpenAI model, and it will actually generate a response using this particular business information, and where you want to save the response so that you can actually send that information to the customer as well. So in this case, you can actually create a new field, or you can actually use the existing ones as well. So here let me use the AI output field over here, and you can also add AI triggers to generate leads and collect customer information as well. And here you can also set the temperature as well. For example, let me set it as 0.1. All right, so click continue over here. So in this case, when the response is generated, we can simply send that response to the user. So in this case, send message text, and here simply use AI output. So I choose AI output. All right, suppose if the OpenAI model fails, then we can actually use other AI models as well. So in this case, if it is failed, let me add an AI action over here. So in this case, you can also add actions from right here as well, Google Gemini. And in this case, you have to add all the information right there. So here let me simply grab that particular business information prompt we have for the OpenAI, all right, and use the same information for the Google Gemini as well. All right, so all the information is here, and here you have to make sure to choose the specific model you are planning to use as well. For example, let me choose a GPT Gemini 2.0 Flash, and here you have to also save the response. So let me use the same field as well, it doesn't matter. All right, and here continue. So here, if it is successful, we can simply send the user the response. If it is failed, you can also add one more action as well, and here actions. So let me add these actions once again related to cloud, and here make sure to generate text over here, and you can also use generate text advanced as well, do other customizations like tokens as well, and simply paste the same information right there. And here in the response, simply choose AI output as well. All right, continue, and if it is success, send right here. So here how this gonna work is that first it will actually send the request to OpenAI, and if it is successful, it simply send the response to the user. Suppose OpenAI fails, it will actually send the response to the Google Gemini and try to generate a response and then send that to the user. Suppose even if the Google Gemini is also failed, finally it will actually send the response to the cloud and try to generate a response. Suppose all these models fails, you can also add an action as well, just to notify the agents or admins as well, right there. So here notify agents, and here you can add the notification text as well. So here if it's failed, it will simply notify the admins as well. All right, so now we have created this particular simple flow. Make sure to publish this one, and now go to settings over here and make that particular flow as a default flow. So here a chatbot, OpenAI, Gemini, Cloud. All right, so now this can simply work on all these connected channels. So let's test this on the Instagram. So let me show my phone screen right here, and let me send a message over here. So here let me send a message saying, what services do you provide, and can you please send me some pricing details as well. So there is a typo on my question, but it doesn't matter. It simply provides all the details. It provides customized solar panel system, battery storage, commercial solar solutions, maintenance, and energy monitoring services. Our residential solar packages range from 12,500 to 35,000 depending on the system size and features, while commercial pricing is custom based on the business needs. Here we receive the response right here. So let's imagine if the OpenAI fails. So here the current starting step is starting with OpenAI. Suppose if we change the starting step to Google Gemini, we can actually see how the response is generated from the Google Gemini as well. So let me publish this one. All right, so let me share my phone screen again, and let me ask the same question as well. So let me say, what services do you provide, and some pricing information as well. All right, so let me send this right here and see how this actually works. So here it says Sunbright Solar Solutions provide these are the services, and residential packages range from 12,500 to 35,000, while commercial quotes are custom. So this particular response is generated from the Google Gemini. So if you want to test how the response is generated for the cloud, we can actually change the starting step right here and publish. So what happens is that the flow will start from this particular step right here, and it will actually generate a response from the cloud as well. So let me simply copy this particular question over here and send that again and see how a response is generated from the cloud model as well. All right, so let me send this question again. All right, so here we receive the response. So as you can see here, it simply sends us this sort of response right here. So it says here the key services and the pricing information for the Sunbright solutions, and these are the services, and also they provide the pricing information as well. So this particular response is actually generated from the cloud as well. We actually tested this on the Instagram, but this can simply work on other channels as well. Even you can actually install this as a chat widget on your website as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily build conversational AI chatbots using any of these AI models. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.